Hi everyone, my name is Rachna. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Now, I created my 2026 vision board, and this is how the vision board looks like. Now, this is exactly what I had in mind. I wanted my vision board to be very small, something that I could carry with me in my diary or in my journal or the book I'm reading or even in my bag, so that I could just have a look at it whenever I wanted to just relook at it, or I just wanted it to be very handy. So this is what I created. Now what I did was I divided my vision into multiple categories, and then I kind of sat and jotted down pointers on each of the categories on what I wanted to achieve in the year, or how I look of 2026 when it comes to these categories. Now as you can see, I have like health, there's hobby, there is career right here, and then of course there is relationships. I have a lot of travel that I'm thinking of, and then there is some self-love. Now for each of these categories, I actually did a lot of journaling, on a lot of thinking on what I want to do for each of these categories. Now for example, the first one that we have is health. Now I'm really looking forward to have a very healthy lifestyle in 2026, where I'm trying to go to the gym as much as I can, or even try and eat a lot of healthy food. So that is what I've added in health. Moving to hobby. Now hobby is my favorite one. So I'm an IT professional, and because of the routine, I really don't get time to just do my hobbies. Now this year I'm really going to make an attempt to take out some time and do some painting, or go back to my colors and do some canvas painting, or even some candle making. Now resin art is something that I've added here. Now this is an art that I really love, but I never got a chance to try my hands on it. So this year I'm really going to do some resin art. Even if I fail at it, it's okay, but I want to learn the art. The big one that you see here is career. Now there are a lot of career goals that I have this year, and the first one being a designation shift, a promotion is what I'm thinking of. There is some financial growth that I'm really manifesting for, and working hard towards it as well. And then I also have my YouTube channel that I've added here, that I've just started in 2025, and I think I want to look forward or work towards it and grow it further. Moving to relationships. Now I sometimes don't really do well in communication in my relationships, so I am going to try and improve that. I'm going to love my partner more every day is what I've added, because I've been very lucky in love and relationship, and I've really been very grateful for marrying a very good man in life. So I am really looking forward to being with him more, and just trying to do justice to everything that he does for me. Okay, so that's what I've added in relationship. Travel is, I have some religious places in mind that I want to go to. The first one that I added is Ujjain. Then I have Shirdi. Now Shirdi is something that I really want to keep it as a routine, that I go there every year. So that is one that I have added here. And then there are some international trips, some domestic trips that I've added, and one trip that I want to do is with my family. One would be with my parents, and then the other one would be with my husband's family. So that I've added in here. The next one is self-love. Now in self-love is there are multiple points here, but the crux or the summary of self-love is that I'm going to prioritize myself. I'm going to just be a little more kind and forgiving towards myself, because I always tend to be very hard on myself. I always tend to set goals and just keep pushing me through things I shouldn't. So it's just being more forgiving, being more grateful in life is what I have added in self-love. There is some skincare also, and I want to learn driving, so that also I've added in self-love, because I think when I will learn to drive, that's going to bring in some confidence in me, which is why it is added in self-love and not in hobbies. So this is what the vision board is, and I've given you like everything that I've added in here. As you see, for each of the pointers that I've added, I have also added like these boxes here. Now these are check boxes, so by the end of the year, when I look back at it, I'm going to just make a tick at what I have achieved in 2026. To be very honest, this was a very fun activity. It actually got me thinking on how I vision my career to be, or how I vision my relationships to be, not just in 2026 but for a longer term as well. So I think you all should do this. I would highly recommend you to just create something like this. It doesn't take a lot of time. It's very simple. It's no it's nothing fancy. It's just you and your thoughts on a piece of paper. I really hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please stay tuned to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.